Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to install an eSIM on an Android phone. First, make sure your Android device is eSIM compatible and factory unlocked. You'll also need a stable internet connection to proceed. Let's start with the easiest way, installing an eSIM using a QR code. Go to Settings on your phone, then tap on Connections and select SIM Card Manager. From here, tap on Add eSIM and then choose Scan Operator QR Code. Once you've scanned the code, tap on Add. After the plan is registered, just tap OK to activate it and you're good to go. If you don't have a QR code, you can manually install the eSIM using an activation code provided by your carrier. First, copy the activation code. Then go to Settings, select Connections and tap on SIM Card Manager. Now tap Add eSIM and choose Scan QR Code from the service provider. Here you can see the option to enter the activation code. Tap on it and paste your code. After that, tap on Connect, and that's it. Your eSIM is now installed and ready to use on your Android device. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.